Hello, my friend. Today I want to tell you a story, my story. It's not about teaching. It's not about rules. It's about learning. It's about how I learned English, step by step, day by day. I want to share what helped me, what didn't help, what was hard, and what worked. Maybe my story will help you too. So sit back, relax, and listen. I will speak slowly, clearly, and simply. Let's begin. I started learning English many years ago. I was younger. I was curious. I was excited. I told myself, yes, this will be easy. I will learn fast. I had big dreams. I wanted to travel. I wanted to speak with people from other countries. I wanted to understand songs, movies, and stories. I wanted to feel free in another language. But I was wrong. It was not easy. It was hard, very hard. I listened to people speak English. They spoke and smiled. They laughed. They moved their hands. They looked happy. But me? I just sat there and listened. And I understood nothing. Their words came so fast, too fast. It was like a river, moving and moving. I could not catch one drop. I felt lost. I felt like I was outside the world. I was quiet. I didn't ask questions. I didn't speak, not even one word. My voice stayed inside. My mouth stayed closed. I felt small, and I felt afraid. I thought, maybe I can't do this. Maybe I'm not good at languages. But something inside me said, keep going, just one more try. So I stayed. I listened. And little by little, things began to change. I made a small decision, not a big one, a small one. I told myself, don't try to understand everything. Just try to understand one thing, one word, one sentence, one small piece. So I listened again, and this time I heard one word, hello. It was simple, but it felt special. I said it softly, hello. Then again, hello. It was short, it was easy, it was mine. That one word gave me hope. It gave me a little light. I didn't need a full sentence yet. I just needed one word to hold. So I started doing this every day. I listened, I waited for one small word, and when I found it, I used it. I didn't write it down, I didn't memorize it. I lived with it. I said it when I woke up. I said it when I brushed my teeth. I said it while walking to the bus. One word a day. That was enough. I started to feel stronger. Not perfect, but stronger. Because small things grow, and that's how my real learning began. After many days, many weeks, I learned a few words. Words like hello, thank you, bread, water. But I had a problem. I could say words, but I couldn't speak like real people. I was slow. My mouth was slow. My brain was slow. I could think the word, but I couldn't say it fast enough. It felt like my brain and my mouth were not friends. Then something changed. One day, I found a new method. It was called shadowing. What is shadowing? It's simple, but powerful. You listen to someone speak, and you speak with them, at the same time. Not after, not before, but with them. For example, the speaker says, my name is Sarah, and you say, my name is Sarah, at the same time, like a shadow, like an echo, like walking beside someone. At first it was strange. My tongue felt tired. My brain felt slow. But I kept going. 1 minute, then 2, then 5. I practiced every day, on the bus, at home, in the kitchen, and slowly, something amazing happened. My mouth started to move faster. My brain started to follow. I began to sound more natural. Shadowing became my friend, my silent teacher. I didn't need a classroom. I didn't need grammar books. Just a voice and my voice together. Then I made a small rule, a quiet promise to myself. It helped me more than anything else. The rule was simple, just 10 minutes every day. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes, just 10, but every single day. Sometimes I was tired, sometimes I was busy, sometimes I didn't want to study at all, but I told myself, come on, just 10 minutes. You can do 10 minutes. And I did. I listened, I shadowed, I whispered new words, sometimes in the morning, sometimes before bed, sometimes while walking. No big goals, no big pressure, just one small habit. 10 minutes, but 10 minutes every day. That made the difference. After 1 week, I felt more comfortable. After 1 month, I understood more. After a few months, I could speak more clearly. Not because I studied for many hours one day, but because I showed up every day. That is the power of small steps, tiny, simple steps, but every day. So now, after all that time, what did I learn? Do I speak perfect English? No. Do I know every word? No. But I can speak. I can listen. I can understand people. I can travel. I can order food. I can ask for help. I can make new friends in English. That feels amazing. I am proud. Not perfect, but proud. And I learned something bigger too. I learned that language is not a race. It's not fast. It's not big. It's slow. It's quiet. It's one step and then another. You don't need a big plan. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to move to another country. What you need is one small word, one small moment, and one small step every day. That's how I learned. That's how I grew. And now I want you to know this. You can do it too. Even if you feel shy, even if you feel slow, even if you feel scared, you're not alone. You're learning. You're growing. Speak to your mirror. Say one new word today. Listen again tomorrow. And, just like me, you will change. So, my friend, remember this. Stay slow, stay strong, and keep believing in yourself. I hope this story gave you hope and courage. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Every time you listen, you take one more step in your English journey. Thank you for listening this story of English easy to learn. See you in the next video. So keep learning one small step every day with our channel Make You Pro at English. Bye for now. Love you all.